In today's video, I will walk you through how to upgrade personal to business account in PayPal. To begin, go to PayPal and log into your existing personal PayPal account using the email address connected to that account. After logging in, you will be taken to your PayPal dashboard. From there, click on the Settings tab. Once you are inside the Settings section, scroll down until you see the option labeled Upgrade to a Business Account. Click on that option to continue. On the next screen, you will see different upgrade options. If you want to use your current email address and convert your existing personal account into a business account, select the option that uses your current email address. After selecting that option, click Next. You will then be asked to enter your business details. If you do not have a registered business name, enter your own legal name in the business name field. If you do have a registered business, enter the legal business name instead. Next, enter your business phone number in the required field. After that, enter your business address information. If you used your own legal name as the business name, enter the address exactly as it appears on your government-issued identification or driver's license. Once all the information is completed, scroll down, check the confirmation box, and click Agree and Upgrade Account. After that, PayPal will ask you to describe your business. Choose the business type that best matches your setup. If you entered your own name instead of a registered business name, select the individual option. Next, enter keywords related to your products or services. If you cannot find an exact match, choose an option that is similar to your business activity. After selecting the business category, choose your estimated monthly sales range from the available options. You will then be asked to enter either your employer identification number or other requested identification details, depending on the business setup you selected earlier. If you want to, you can also add your website information in the optional website field. After reviewing everything, continue through the next prompts shown on the screen. If PayPal asks whether you want a PayPal business debit card, select the option you prefer and continue. You may also be asked to confirm your address information before finishing the process. Once completed, your personal PayPal account will be upgraded to a business account, and the updated business dashboard will appear on the screen. At that point, the upgrade process is complete. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you successfully upgrade your PayPal personal account to a business account.